Hi guys, it's Dave
and Jen
with Livestream Media, and we just wanted to stop by today and tell you about this awesome new idea that we had to give small business owners a way to engage, connect with, and communicate with their clientele and their audience while the social distancing orders are going on. And that was to create a live streaming studio.
Yeah, so this is our Streamlab / at-home studio that we use, but also is open to all of you as well, so that you can come in and create the content that you need so you can reach out to your customer base and your client base virtually.
Yeah, and the way this works is one person at a time comes into the studio. When you get into our place, you have gloves, you have surgical grade masks that you can wear to walk to the studio. Once you're in the studio, we have disinfecting wipes, which you can wipe down any surfaces before and after you're on camera.
Kills flu and cold bacteria.
And then last but not least, we have homemade medical grade sanitizer with aloe vera. I believe it's like almost 70%, 80%, something like that. So more than powerful enough to kill germs. You just sign in on a board right outside the room with your time, and you can rent the studio by the hour for $40 an hour. You can rent it by the half day at $140 for the half day, and you can rent it for the entire day for $250. And we will help you set up your live show. We offer consulting. We can help you build out your show, make sure all the gear is running properly for your live stream or your pre-recorded content, and you'll be ready to roll.
Yeah, the room comes with all of our high-end gear, so it's already set up and ready for you. If you want to bring in your own props and background
and decorations,
you absolutely can. We've got 2 different backdrops that you can film your content under. You've got our white backdrop here that you can add colored lights so that you can have any color that fits and works for you. And we have a black backdrop with a black table, which is amazing for product shoots. And you can see a little example of that up here.
So if you're a teacher or an instructor or a coach, we have all the tools necessary as well if you want to do some kind of live visual instructional type
Demos.
content. And we want you guys to continue to be creative during this thing and not lose focus, and just come up with some cool, clever, fun new ways to engage with your online audience.
This is the best time and opportunity for you to be building your content library so that when you are ready to relaunch, or when things come back to some semblance of normalcy, you are already prepared and ready to go.
All right, so we hope to see you here at our Streamlab.
So to book the room, give us a call at 209-870-9424, or you can email us at info@SilentStreamMedia. We're here to serve you and to help so that you can continue to connect with your clients.
We hope to see you soon, and stay creative.
Bye.